Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
So who's got two thumbs and is the luckiest guy on this planet? This guy. I did this and I told my wife, April, I said, don't ever tell anybody I did this. This is so embarrassing. I feel so dumb. And she said, you know what though, maybe you should tell people, because even if you save one person from making the same mistake and from getting injured, maybe that's worth it. I said, you know what, that's a good point, so here we are. Now, let's get this out of the way right now. It was 8 o'clock in the morning. There was no beer involved. That's just when I know I'm not going to be pissing the neighbors off to start a chainsaw up. So a tree had fell across the fence right onto our lawn from the neighbor's side. It's about 15 feet long, about that big around, and I needed to mow the lawn, so I had to go cut that up into chunks to get it off the lawn, throw it back over the fence. I knew I only needed to make like 3 cuts, so I just went and grabbed my saw and fired it up. Did my first cut. You know, I'm using the chain brake properly. Make my cut, put the chain brake on, move on to the next cut, chain brake off, cut, chain brake on. The last cut, the third cut I had to make was kind of up against the fence a little bit. It was kind of a weird situation. I had to have my leg weird, and my position was weird. And so I'm making the cut, and I got through, and for some reason, I didn't put the chain brake back on, and I let go of the back handle, and the chain swung this way and hit me in the leg. My left leg right above the knee. Boy, did that scare me. I got a camera set up down here. Check this out. It cut my pants just like that. And check this out. Right there. That right there, that is as close as it gets, my friends. I am so lucky. If that chain would have moved 1 more inch, I would be filling my boot with blood. So the next day, April comes and hands me these, and she goes, here. And I said, yeah? What? Those are my Follower chainsaw safety pants. And she goes, yeah, I know. Would you please use them, dumbass? Actually, she didn't actually say dumbass, but I'm calling myself a dumbass. Those are not that expensive. You know what I'm going to do? I'll put a link in the description underneath this video and in the pinned comment, so you can click on that link and see how inexpensive they are. You can get chaps too. You don't need full pants, just chaps you put over top your pants to stop something like that from actually injuring you. I can't believe how lucky I was. It's just, it blows me away. I will never ever cut another piece of wood with a chainsaw without putting safety chaps on or safety pants ever again. And, well, now I can have a beer. Cheers. Steve out.